Right, everyone, please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the court's understanding that you've reached a verdict in this case. Is that correct? And have you reached a verdict on all three counts? And are all those verdicts unanimous in each of the three counts? All right, if you'll hand the verdict form to Deputy Laura, please. To count one, it states, "We, the jury, find the defendant Edgar Hernandez Aguilar not guilty of the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as charged in count one of the indictment." All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have you all go back to the jury room and I'll have instructions for you shortly. Everyone, please rise for the jurors. All right, everyone, please be seated. Thank you. Yes.
Count one.
It is going to be, they're just finding him. Yes, we're ready.
All right, for the jury.
All right, everyone, please be seated. And ladies and gentlemen, that was something that just needed to be taken up outside your presence. All right, so we are back on the record, and the jury has, in count one, the verdict form reads as follows. We, the jury, find the defendant, Edgar Hernandez Aguilar, not guilty of the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as charged in count one of the indictment. In regards to the lesser included offense of count one, the verdict form states, we, the jury, find the defendant, Edgar Hernandez Aguilar, guilty of the lesser included offense of assault under count one. Count two, the verdict form reads, we, the jury, find the defendant, Edgar Hernandez Aguilar, guilty of the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as charged in count two of the indictment. Count three verdict form reads, we, the jury, find the defendant, Edgar Hernandez Aguilar, guilty of the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as charged in count three of the indictment. Does anyone wish to have the jurors polled?
Yes.
All right, you may be seated. So ladies and gentlemen, with the exception of the alternates, when I ask you if this is your verdict, if it is your verdict, I would like you to respond by saying yes. Does everyone understand? So to count one, where the jury found the defendant not guilty of the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as charged in count one of the indictment, is this your verdict? 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 Is this your verdict?
Yes.
Is this your verdict? 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 To the lesser included offense of count one, it states that you find the defendant guilty of the lesser included offense of assault under count one. Is this your verdict? 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 Back row. Is this your verdict? Is this your verdict? Is this your verdict? In regards to count two, where the jury has found the defendant guilty of the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as charged in count two of the indictment, is this your verdict?
Yes.
To count three, where the jury has found the defendant guilty of the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon as charged in count three of the indictment, is this your verdict?
Yes.
All right, thank you. What will happen now is Deputy Laura will take you back to the jury room, and I will speak with you briefly, and the attorneys may wish to speak to you as well. All right, everyone, please rise for the jurors. All right, everyone, please be seated. Mr. Aguilar, the jury, having found you not guilty in count one of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, of course, the court will follow the juror's verdict. The court will find you guilty of count two as stated by the jurors for the lesser included offense of assault.
That's count.
I'm sorry, count one. Thank you.
Sure.
I appreciate that. The court will follow the jurors' verdict wherein they found you guilty of the lesser included offense of count one, and that lesser included offense is assault. The court will follow the jury's verdict and find you guilty of count two, as the jury did, of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in count two. And the court will follow the juror's verdict wherein the jury found you guilty of count three of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. You may be seated. With regards to sentencing, defense, do you have any witnesses you wish to appear?
No, Judge.
All right. Do you all wish to come back on Monday for sentencing?
Monday's a holiday.
Well, I keep saying Monday, but the Tuesday.
We'll be here whenever. We can do it today, whatever you want.
All right. Are you ready to proceed today?
It's actually out at this point, and we would like to have the victims possibly present for possible testimony and also possibly data impact.
All right. So what I'll do then, I will set sentencing. And I want to make sure that everyone is available. Do y'all wish to do sentencing on Tuesday? Would you prefer the morning or afternoon?
I don't think it really makes too much difference. I don't anticipate the sentence will take too terrible.
All right.
We'll try to accommodate no matter what, Judge. Yeah.
All right. So, it's always hard to get attorneys to just agree when I give them time. So,
Why don't we say Monday afternoon? Sorry, Tuesday afternoon.
see, that happens.
Yes.
John, it's like we're still in law school. All right, so we'll be back on the 18th, Tuesday, not Monday, because it's a holiday. And we will be here at 1:30. And that's when sentencing will take place. And Mr. Aguilar, at that time, if there's any witnesses, defense you would like to appear, they can appear. If for some reason your witnesses can't appear in person, I'm assuming you will have no objection to witnesses appearing by Zoom. All right, so for people, if you can't have your witnesses here in person, is there going to be any objection to either side with the witnesses appearing by Zoom?
No.
All right, so they'll be able to appear by Zoom. And if they're going to be appearing, we can go off the record. If they're going to be appearing by Zoom, and if they will need an interpreter, please let us know beforehand, because I'll need to set up Zoom in a special way so that the interpreter can zoom in, and it'll make it easier for the interpretation. All right, is there anything else from either side? All right, so attorneys, if you want, I'm going to speak with the jurors, and you're more than welcome to come back as well. And I'll see everybody on Tuesday.